'Twas the night before Christmas in Santa's enchanted kitchen. Magic filled the air with the warmth of tradition. He poured out some cider to set a festive mood. Not to switch up the music, maybe something with a groove. See, he was preparing a feast for the ones he holds dear, to thank them for spreading joy every single year. He made all their favorites with a love so sincere, to celebrate the season with laughter and cheer. Each moment together, a gift to adore. For the best Noche Buenas are filled with flavor y amor. So this Christmas he gave them the gift of Sabor.